Now, let's discuss the advantages of a River Valley project. At the very beginning, I must say about how the projects help in irrigation. For irrigation, it supplies water to wet and dry areas which are very far from dam. But how it supply water? It supply through various channels and you may say canals. See, canals like Yamuna Canal, Upper Sirhind Canal, or you may say Jobra Canal, Taldanda Canal, Machagan Canal, and many more you know. It helps the farmland making more productivity in all the year round. It makes the farmers self-sufficient and it makes the region greenery. Similarly, the advantage like power generation. It produces hydel power by running turbine and supply to settlements areas, industrial areas and agricultural fields. You know, in India, the hydel power produce about 22% of total power produced in the country. Without power, the functioning of modern industry is not possible. And remember, this hydel power is very much eco-friendly. Like this, it also helps in flood control, which is the main aim of the mission of dams. It is one of the urgent need of the people who are residing near river banks. And side by side, it regulates the flow of water in river as well as in the reservoirs. How? By leaving extra water through various canals to farm fields. Thus, it regulates the flow of water. My dear children, naturally you know, if the velocity of water flow decreases, then it have less energy to wash down the topsoil cover of the land. Hence, it helps in conserving soil and it minimizes the transport of soil in the river banks. So, it helps in conserving soil. More helps that it provides us, which is the backbone of the economy of the surrounding areas. What? Navigation. It adds the development of economic value to its surrounding people by providing its land navigation facilities. And thus, it reduces the traffic load on rail and road transport. See how? It provides the cheapest transport system. It shares the different local producing commodities among the local people, hence strengthen their integrity among themselves. Also, this project encourages to development of fisheries and hence support to reduce unemployment from this area. Side by side, it also helped to raise forestry on the banks of the canals so increase our forest cover of the nation. After that, I must say, it also facilitates to the development of recreational environment in the form of providing sightseeing, picnic spots, study tour and swimming, etc. I can say it produce tourism industry and generate employment, hence support to gross national income of the country. You know, this project also fulfill our basic requirements, that is drinking water, that is potable water, through pipelines provided by the government of the local authorities. At last, I must add one more advantage of this mission of our government, that it directly support development of nearby industries and so generate huge employment in large scale. Dear junior students, all of you must understood the merits of multi-purpose river valley projects. So, I think once our late Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, rightly said that multi-purpose river valley projects are modern temples of India. What? Modern temples of India. He is absolutely right. As the dams or the projects integrate the development of agriculture and village economy with industrialization and development of the urban economy.